Hi, you're back with Mr. Canada, and we're doing decimals to percents today. So now we're doing the reverse process of what we kind of did in the very first video. So as you can see, before we divided by 100, because that was the definition. Now, well, what's the reverse of dividing by 100? Well, timesing by 100. So it's as simple as that. So here we want to represent 0.65 as a percentage. So step 1, multiply by 100. So 0.65 times by 100. Well, we know that we can just move our decimal place twice to the right because it's going to get bigger, right? Because there's two zeros, so we move twice. So here, this is just going to be 65 and add the percent because we're really timesing by 100%. Right? So we typically just don't include the percentage stuff while we do the calculations because the whole purpose is that we gain that little sign. Okay, so next one. We're doing 0.035. Right. We have 0.035, and we're timesing it by 100. So we know that, hey, we move the decimal place once, twice, so we're going to get 0.0. Oh, sorry. Moved the wrong way. So make sure you're paying attention so you don't make those mistakes. So we're moving it twice to the right, or the numbers twice to the left. That's what I was trying to do. And so we get 3.5%. Now we got 1.602 as a percentage. So 1.602 times by 100. And that's going to be equal to 160.2. Because we get to move it 1, 2. So if you'd like to do the little bumps under, I've done this for many years and I still do this to this day as a way to help me, especially when I have larger numbers. Here, we're going to convert these following decimals to the percentages, so pause the video right now, and when you're ready, press play and we'll go through the answers. Alright, so let's go through these answers. So for each of these ones, we're timesing by 100, so we know we're just going to be moving this decimal place twice, so I'm just going to do that when I end up doing these. So here, we're going to find that we have 50%. Okay. Here, we move it twice, we get 90%. Next one, move it twice, 15%. Alright, so it's same thing every time. We just move the decimal place twice to the right. 95%, 1, 2, and 9.5%. So this is a little trick that we did back when we learned place values of just if we're times by anything with 10, 100, 1,000, etc., you just move the decimal the amount of times that you see the zero. So here, 9.5, we're going to move it 1, 2, so we actually get 950% after filling in that 0, right? Don't forget the percentage sign on the last one if you didn't catch my mistake. Next one, twice to the right, so we get 80.5, and that's percentage. Twice to the right here, so it's right in the middle there. And lastly, the number 12. Don't mistake that's already a percentage because it doesn't have a decimal. Got to add our decimal in and move it twice. So we can fill in those zeros and we get 1200%.